If you have not eat or test any of this bush meat you are seeing in this video, you are missing a lot. Trust me, you are missing a lot. I don't want to know where you come from or your tribe, but for the fact you have not tested any of this bush meat, trust me, you are on a long thing. So on this day, look at me checking out the meat one after the other. I decided to visit one popular community known for one thing. That thing is bush meat. As long as you're a Rivers person, or as long as you're based or reside in Rivers State, as soon as someone mentions Omagwa, the first thing that comes into your mind is bush meat. And you ask the person, if they go chop bush meat, maybe you won't go buy, or you won't cook bush meat food, something like that, So Omagwa is a community known for bushmeat. They have a lot of hunters, they have good forests, where they hunt different kind of bushmeat, not just one particular bushmeat. In fact, at the time I've gotten to this place, it was already in the evening and they've already sold their meat out. What I'm just saying is the remaining, right? So the main meat have already gone out. Market women, restaurant, people that sell bushmeat within the state and outside the state have already placed their order and they've sold their market at. So I got to this place in the evening, so evening hour. So you guys, as you can see, the process of the meat after roasting, wash, and they start cutting it parts by parts. It depends on how you want it or how they want to roast it and how they want to sell it. I don't know the right word to use, but they cut it different sizes, different parts. As you can see, this one is one pattern. They just place the meat differently, so it depends on the price. So this particular person you're saying now is just trying to slice it. I think the size of 1,000 or 1,500. The lady you're saying, she owned a restaurant, so she came to buy bushmeat. So a lot of people that come to this place from far place, from far from Port Harcourt to Omagwa, they are coming to buy bushmeat. So I told you guys that there is something I discovered today, which is this meat you're saying this man is actually preparing. There is salt, there is pepper. I don't know if there's any other thing. This is two type of meat here. One is is it antelope or grass cut, I don't know, and another one inside that particular bowl you saw is pork meat. If you look very well, I think there are three type of meats you're seeing in that particular fire. I never knew that pork meat have bush, like the bush one. The one I'm used to, or the one we are used to, is this particular one, the trained one. So today I asked the man, what are you preparing? He said it's pork. I said, okay, pork, they get bush pork. He said yes now. Say bush pork. And trust me, I ate it. It was one of the best meats. It tastes a little bit different from the regular pork. This one is thicker. That excess oil, you will not see excess oil. The taste is so nice. In fact, the regular pork, I don't eat it like that. I don't like it. But I tested this one and I was forced to buy a lot today. So what you're saying, there are a lot of different kind of meat. I cannot start calling their name because me, I don't know. So when I don't know why I don't work out good meat, I ask, they will tell me, I will just buy the go. So if you're interested, you are looking for place to buy different kind of bushmeat, you can actually reach them out or send me a direct DM. I think I got somebody's number, so in case you are interested, guys, trust me, pork meat, the bush pork meat is one of the best pork meat. Please, if you have tested it before, let me know in the comment section, because today, or at the time I'm recording this video, is my very, very first time testing it. So look at this particular one. I don't know the meat that is here. I really don't know their names, but I know it's different species. If you look their skin, most of them are different. If you look at also this table, you're seeing about 3 different types of meat. So the one I'm holding, I raised the one up, is is pork, the one I ate. And look at me here. This is bushmeat pork. If you have not eaten it before, please, or you're not a lover of pork meat, not this particular one, guys, just go and try it and you will thank me. So here is the place. This time I told you, even if you look very well, everywhere is scanty. A lot of people have already left. It's just the remain they are trying to prepare, for people that going to come and buy in the evening, so the fire keep going down and another part of it. So guys, thank you for watching.